Hey friends, thanks for taking a minute or two to check out our tiny video. Today we're going to give you a really quick idea. It's called a Take Five review. This is brought to you by the Georgia Department of Education, the amazing team of social studies leaders. Here we go. So why? Why do we want students to take five as a review strategy? Well, I'm going to tell you. It keeps your students engaged and it's going to give you the chance to check for understanding early and often. And here's how. What do we mean when we're talking about Take Five? Well, we're talking about an opportunity to foster note taking skills, increase comprehension, offer collaborative opportunities by having students take five after about 10 to 20 minutes of direct instruction. This is what it's going to look like. With their 5 minutes, students can get together in small groups or in pairs. They can compare notes. They can fill in missing information either in their notes, on their graphic organizers, or even just gaps in their own learning through discussion. They also have the chance to ask questions of their peers and learn from one another. This is a total win because it's going to combine the power of the pause between direct instruction periods as well as incorporate some peer teaching techniques. And there's opportunities for you to differentiate or provide additional support. Are you curious? Well, here's how you can do that. Generate anonymous questions and place them on note cards. You can then distribute these anonymous questions to pairs or groups. This is going to encourage questioning and discussion if students don't necessarily feel confident or if this is a brand new strategy and they don't really know what to do. It's also going to help keep them on track and hopefully curb some external conversations. Something else you could have students do is you can take a flipped classroom approach. Maybe you read beforehand, or maybe you read something at the end of a class and then you have the students email you the questions. So again, they're anonymous, but they're coming from the students. You can then break these onto cards. You can project them on a screen through a Google Doc, but you can use them for distribution for your pairs and your groups. Are you curious about learning more? Do you want more? Please, thank you. I know you do. So here's another way. Take five can also include time for a small group brain drain. You just need a small group, chart paper, markers. What they're going to do in that small group is that within their 5 minutes, their take five pause, you're going to ask students to list everything they can recall and then underline the three most important things. This is going to quickly assess their understanding. It's going to give you insight to their level of evaluation. It's going to allow the students to see these ideas restated in different ways, and it's going to allow you to redirect or modify instruction in real time. It's a win win, so let's go. Make sure you're following us on any of our social media platforms, send videos, and share with us the way that you're using the Take Five review strategy.